All right, team, I hope you're ready for this one. We are making some chicken parmesan smash burger tacos. I've made smash burger tacos before. I've done them on with like breakfast style. I've done them just regular hamburger style. And now we're gonna do chicken parmesan style, okay? I know I get the comments all the time about how does the meat cook through on these smashed tacos here. Well, here's the deal. Most of the meat is getting cooked through meat side down on the griddle, right? And I'll show you that as we go. But also, when you flip it over and you're grilling from the bottom up, griddling from the bottom up, the heat is coming through the tortilla, it's toasting the tortilla, and it's also finishing the cook on the meat, the protein on there, okay? Whether it's chicken, whether it's the sausage, hamburger, it doesn't matter. The tortilla is not gonna magically stop the heat going through and cooking the chicken or whatever protein it is, okay? So I know people freak out about that, but we've made plenty of these before, and no one's had any issues, okay? I'm gonna get the rest of these made up, and I'll see you in a sec. This is where we'll start building that chicken parmesan. We got some Italian breadcrumbs here. And of course, you gotta have some Parmesan cheese. Give that a nice little mix. Take your taco or your chicken inside, put it in the bread and cheese. Give it a real good press. We'll set these aside and get our griddle set up. We got our Ninja Sizzle plugged in here. We're gonna go 325. We don't wanna go too crazy with the heat. All right, we wanna make sure we get these nice and cooked through, but not burned, right? Right. Make sure you guys get plenty of olive oil down. Mine's kind of trying to sneak away. Put it back here. Get these bad boys on. You should get them coated in that oil. Let them go a few minutes. Make sure that chicken most of the way is getting cooked through. Guys, let this go for a couple minutes. Like I said, most of the cooking time is gonna be with the chicken side down, right? We're getting nice and crispy going on. The link for this recipe will be in the comments. Make sure you check it out. Like, share, all that good stuff too. All right, let's go. Woo, nice and golden brown and lovely. Now it's gonna continue to toast and cook all the way through the bottom. Good stuff, y'all. Freshly shredded mozzarella going down. It's gonna start melting over the top. And I wanted to mention, if you guys don't have a griddle like this, cast iron pan will work just fine. Even a non-stick, whatever you got, go with it. And to show it's cooked through, I got my instant read thermometer here. This is probably the thickest part that I could find of the smash burger, and we're in the 190s. All right, so you can tell that it's cooked through completely. Don't worry about any of the nasty things you hear about on TV, right? All right, nice and crispity crunchy on there. We got a nice toasted bottom. Everybody likes a nice toasty bottom, right? All right, let's get these off. Got a little wire rack. I want to get these on something that has air underneath. That way we don't get it mushy on the bottom. I'm going with a little marinara sauce in there. Kind of get it nice and coated over that cheese. Have the rest for a little dipping. Little parsley over the top. There you go, that's the dish. Let's get a bite. Listen, this is everything you want in a chicken parm, but in a handy dandy to go container. Guys, this is amazing. You're gonna wanna make this. Babe, you know it's good. Let's go.